Hey, today we are making a fiery and flavorful chili fish, a crowd favorite Indo-Chinese dish that's surprisingly easy to make at home. So grab your kadhai and let us dive in. Start off with the Bhetki fillet sliced into strips. Don't worry if you can't find Bhetki at your place. Basa, tilapia or any firm white fish will work just as well. Let's marinate that fish. Start with a pinch of salt, a little MSG to boost the umami, some white pepper powder, a splash of refined oil, egg white from one egg, about a teaspoon each of garlic juice, ginger juice, and green chili juice. Mix everything well until the fish is nicely coated. Now for the dry coating, add a spoonful of refined flour or maida and double that amount of cornflour. This combo gives the fish that crispy outer layer we all love. Mix it all again and let the fish marinate for at least 30 minutes. Trust us, it's worth the wait. The flavors will soak right in. While the fish is marinating, let's make a magic sauce, which is the soul of the chili fish. In a small bowl, combine a spoon of oyster sauce, which is a great substitute for fish stock, red chili sauce for the heat, dark soy sauce for the depth of flavor, a dash of vinegar for the tang, a pinch of salt. Go easy with it because all the sauces are salty. A little sugar to balance things out, and a touch more of MSG. Mix everything together and set it aside. This will be your bold, spicy, slightly sweet and umami rich gravy base. Time to fry the fish. Heat some oil in a wok or a kadhai over medium-high heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, carefully drop in the marinated fish pieces in batches. Try not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until golden brown and crispy. About 2 minutes on each side should do the trick. Once done, take them out and set them aside on a plate. Next, in another kadhai, heat 2 tablespoons of oil on high. Add a handful of minced garlic and a few sliced chilies. Saute them until the garlic is golden and fragrant. Next, toss in onion, which are cut into petals, and bell pepper chunks. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be slightly cooked but still crunchy. That fresh bite will make all the difference. Now, return the crispy fried fish to the wok. Pour in the sauce mixture and add a splash of water to help everything come together. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes just until the sauce thickens and starts to cling to the fish and the veggies. Turn off the heat and garnish with chopped spring onions for that signature Indo-Chinese finish. Serve your sizzling hot chili fish as an appetizer or pair it with fried rice or noodles for a complete meal. Either way, it's a guaranteed hit. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!